Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 150 Den Walk, Buckhaven. This is a really spacious 2-bedroom, 2-reception, ground floor flat. Moving condition, ready to go. You've got ample off-street parking because all of this space to the front is yours, while also benefiting from a fully enclosed garden to the rear that has a workshop in it. So not only are you getting so much space outside, you're getting so much space inside as well. So I'm going to take you on the tour, show you everything that's on offer with this home, talk you through location and exactly what is on your doorstep. So let's start the tour. So this is your property to the front, 150. You have the paved path to the side that gives you access. And as I say, all of this is yours to the front. So ample off-street parking, absolutely fantastic. It's also a blank canvas for you. You can obviously come and put your own stamp on it, but this is a really practical addition. So you have living room window just there and one of your bedroom windows just there. You can also nip round the side to get access to the garden at the rear, but this is your entrance into the property. I wasn't lying when you said you had a lot of space with this property, and you've seen that even just with the drive space to the front. So you come into your entrance hallway. So we will start with bedroom number 2, which is just on our right. Lovely and bright room. Easily get a double in this space. What's fantastic as well is you have floor to ceiling, sliding wardrobe, so ample storage, and you'll see that as we go throughout the property. But this is one of your bedrooms, blank canvas, ready to go. Main bedroom. Another brilliant size, plenty of space in here. And again, you have not just one, but 2 storage options. And again, fitted, so that is just brilliant. And still having plenty of floor space for your bedroom furniture. You've got quality flooring throughout as well, which is just amazing. So that is your 2 bedrooms. You then have this contemporary shower room. So you have a great sized heated towel rail, WC wash hand basin with all of that vanity space as well. So brilliant storage solutions. I love the fact that it's floor to ceiling tile, so it's really easy to maintain and clean. And then you have this large enclosed shower, rainfall waterhead, but yes, you can see that right. That is a jacuzzi style shower. So you're absolutely spoilt with that. But this is your contemporary shower room. And then you come into your main living room space. This is a fantastic size. Plenty of space in here for all of your living room furniture. And as I say, you've got quality flooring as well. But isn't this really spacious? And again, it's that blank canvas for you to just come in and put your own stamp on it and make it your own. And what I love is you have the glazed doors as well. So you're just letting that light flood through. You then come into your fitted kitchen. You've got plenty of cabinet and worktop space with this kitchen. You also have integrated appliances. So you have a gas hob and oven extractor. You have integrated washing machine and then also an integrated dishwasher here. And then in the corner you have integrated fridge and freezer. So you have all of your integrated appliances, which is brilliant. And you still do have area of space in here as well. So this is really practical, and I love the fact while you are here, you're just right through with a view to the conservatory and the garden. Likewise, when you're in here, you've got a view just straight through to your living room. And then your second reception room is this brilliant addition of a conservatory. It is so bright, and what I love is the positioning, because as you can see, we have nobody looking into us, so this is just brilliant. Whether you create a dining room in here, a home office study, children's playroom, an additional reception room, and that's what's great. You just make the space work for you and your family. But what a brilliant addition to have. And you still obviously have space outside, and as I say, you are not overlooked while you sit here, which is just brilliant. Double glazed windows throughout in this conservatory as well. And then let's step outside and show you the rest of the space. So this is an access point, bin storage, or if you've been taking the dogs out perhaps. So you've got a patio area just here. So you've got plenty of area for all of your garden furniture. plenty of space. You can get some nice colour and shrubs as well. And then you step down to a further paved area. Now there is light and power provision in here, so that is a brilliant addition, whether it is just a workshop, whether it's storage, whether you create it into a home office study space. You've got further patio area just here, and then you do have additional storage down there. You can see obviously a bit of later lawn, so you could get some colours and shrubs and plants there if you wish. But there is then additional storage just there, so you've got all of this outdoor storage, paved area, and then also this area here. And what's great is the positioning of this garden. You will be here, as I say, not overlooked, which is brilliant, but with the way that the sun is going to come down, this will be an absolute sun trap, and you can just move yourself around the garden to take advantage of the position. So let's do a recap of 150. So that was the personal property tour for 150 Den Walk, Buckhaven. As you've just seen, you're getting a really spacious 2-bedroom, 2-reception, ground floor flat, moving condition ready to go, ample off-street parking to the front, this fully enclosed garden to the rear that is an absolute sun trap, plus you've got this fantastic addition. Ideal, as I say, if you're looking to do a workshop, or even if you're looking to convert it to a home office study space. It has that light and power provision, so it is a brilliant bonus. So not only are you getting so much space outside, you're getting so much space inside as well with this property. So it does tick all the boxes while being in an ideal location. You are walking distance to local amenities. You have fantastic commuting links, whether it be via bus, connecting you across Fife and beyond, or you have the Cameron Bridge train station, just a close proximity, 5 or 6 minutes and you can be at Cameron Bridge train station, which is ideal if you're looking to get to Edinburgh, Dundee or beyond. Great primary school and secondary school as well close by. Even better, you just take a short drive or even the bus into Leven, where you have the train station, the retail park, leisure facilities, the high street. So much on offer within Leven as well. So you've got everything on your doorstep and you're getting this really spacious property. If you want to get the price point, further details, you can click the link, you can message me directly or call the team on 01333 421 774. Sophie, Fife Properties, take care.